Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 11, Your Lordship.
Item number 11, my lord, I am for the respondent. Since 20th of June 2022, the GMFC has directed them to pay interim maintenance, my lord, of 4,000 to me and 2,000 to my son. And I am a housewife. My husband was a doctor, my lord, is a doctor. And since 20th of June 2022, 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000. Till now, my lord, I have not received any penny.
Is there any stay against that interim
No,
order?
no, my lord. That's
Then-
therefore, my lord,
Then you
I have
take
my,
steps for implementation of the order.
my lord. Now, because maybe because they have filed an application here, section
The
482.
filing will not be regarded as automatic.
Exactly, my lord. But what I wanted to say is, my lord.
They have approached against the order of the magistrate
Yes, my lord.
under 482.
482, my lord.
On what ground?
On two grounds, my lord. Number one, they say that the JMFC Juwai did not have a jurisdiction because the parties belongs to a Khasi tribe. That is one. Second is they're saying that the 125 application was not maintainable because there is no proof of valid marriage between the parties. These are only two grounds they came.
The first one, the
Yes.
question of jurisdiction.
Yes,
So
my
that
lord.
would be.
Yes, that is there, but the our contention is that
But then you
it's-
pay. Why you not paying?
yes. So what I want to submit today is they may take adjournment anytime they want for how many at my lord's, but next date let them prove at least that they have complied with that order. At least because we are suffering a lot. Housewife and the son
Tell
is
your client.
my lord.
Tell your client to make the payment.
The conducting
you
counsel
should
will be
do
in a
that.
better position to argue this matter, Your Lordship.
No, not for argument, just to tell your client to pay.
I'll
See,
inform
once
you.
there
Yes.
is an order of interim maintenance, that should be complied to it so long there is no stay in it. Why? You should pay it. Tell your. When shall we have it? When?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, my lord. By then, my
Okay,
lord,
we'll
at least
adjourn it
that
2 weeks,
is
but then tell
Yes.
tell the petitioner to make the payment.
my lord.
He's a doctor. He should not neglect his wife.
Yes. Obliged.
Yes. The request of London Council petition. This is matter after 2 weeks.
My blessed lordship,
Yes, Mister.
my lord, item number 5, number 8, number 2, my lord, is all pending case. In fact, we have for petitioner. My lord, we are making joint mention with my friend Mr. Nongpri. In fact, we informed the district council, special council also. So if the matter taken up by after 10 days, it's a unique question of law involved. It's a all
There
issue.
will be auspicious day after 10 days.
My lord, in fact, from my side, I was ready preparing, but my friend texted me that it's too late for him to
That is
prepare.
with regard to the name of the.
Creation of same ship. After marriage for more than 100
Why
years.
it was merged with some.
No, Your Lordships. It was the name. Actually, there was a Norman South steamship that went missing, Your Lordship. Then it was revived again by the order of the district council. It was turned into a right for the time being, Your Lordship, for some time. Then after there was some.
The right was under somebody, isn't it?
Your Lordship.
Under whose control that right? You said there is a
Independent
same
right.
ship. There is a same ship.
Once upon a
Name is
time, my lord,
different.
there was a same ship.
Right is different, Your Lordship. Same ship is totally different.
It was same ship, and during British time, no successor, so the king was vanished. In 1937, the so-called the liquor heirs claimed the restoration. So the British, the Governor General said that no, the issue has been died down already, more than years ago, 50, 60 years ago, so it cannot be restored back. Then the matter ended up there, and in 1970s, there was a claim again, and surprisingly, 2007, the District Council restored it. that is the
So
issue.
what this court will do?
My lord, there is an enactment passed by
This is
District
the
Council
second round
also.
of litigation. Earlier on, I had approached before this court, and this honorable court remanded back the matter to the district council to hear the matter afresh by recording of statements and whatever evidence is available. Then a thorough hearing was conducted by the executive committee, and an order was passed, Lordship, whereby it restored the old missing state, Lordship, into its original status now. So now they've come before this court.
Who are they then?
They claim to be that this
Were they
particular
elected-
citizenship
elected?
should be a right. Right means some.
Can it be done by this court?
My lord, there is a, my lord, during that pendency of that consideration, district council has passed a
We have very limited power. See,
Yes, yes.
You cannot expect us to
My man.
appreciate the matter like an appellate court.
Right.
That is,
Right.
you know that thing. That
Right, my lord. Is a unique issue involved, my lord. We'll try to address that issue.
Okay, we'll have it after 2 weeks.
After,
After 2 weeks. On prayer made by both the councils.
both the councils for the council.
I say, the prayer made by the council of both the prayer made by the council of the respective parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
My lord.
All right.
My lord,
I'd like to mention another item, item 6, Your Lordship. This is a matter relating to unauthorized construction, Your Lordship, in the cantonment area. And this matter, Your Lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation, Your Lordship, because there's a talk between the state and the central government regarding that the state will take over the cantonment, some of the cantonment areas, Your Lordship.
So then that will make that issue of unauthorized construction disappear.
No, Your Lordship. Then the proper forum will decide at that point of time, Your Lordship. Because this matter,
There is also one
this
forum now.
correspondence between the,
Right now also there is one forum, isn't it? It is not that there is no forum available now.
Your Lordship.
Change of forum may it will bring some advantage for you. That is the what expectation is. So now this court has very few cases. Item number 6,
6 and
7.
7, Lord. Mr.
Which
Sen is
cantonment?
there.
Cantonment.
I'm here for item number 7
You are for?
for the petitioner. My lord.
Item number 6, you are the petitioner.
Both of us are for the petitioners. 6 and 7. For number 6, I'm for the petitioner, and for
Number
number
7
7
is
is for the petitioner.
So you petitioner, you are standing that side. Your petitioner is
Lordship.
supposed to go.
Apologize.
That creates confusion in the mind of the court. You are making a mention on behalf of the cantonment board or cantonment board.
Yes.
You are objecting.
No.
Why no objection?
I'm for respondent to 3 and 5 to 9.
Two 2018 matter.
Your Lordship.
You are having interim.
Your Lordship.
We will vacate the interim. We will adjourn it. That will be all right.
No, Your Lordship.
When?
Can have it after 3-4 weeks, Lordship.
Why so long? That submission was made.
That submission was made
That's
since
continuing
last
for
year.
probably
Lordship.
for last 2-3 years, isn't it?
Not 2-3 years. So just this development came about last year only in the month of September. Lord.
Okay, we'll just on the joint request of the parties. This is a matter for 3 weeks. We'll have it. 6 and 7, both.
Obliged.
Hello.
7 also same respondents.
my this lordship, will item number 8 to 10, in fact, is connected by the 482 matter. My lord, what has happened in this case is relating to complaint was lodged before the
With Mr. Shangresho, let the matter be called. We'll just see.
my lord, what my prayer is there are 6 writ petitions pending. Part of it is coming up on Friday before the court number 3. Now this has a great bearing in this 482 matter. What happened is this, my lord, teachers were terminated by the principal, by the school managing committee, and these 5-6 petitioners has challenged before this honorable court, saying that the termination is illegal. There is a misappropriation of denial of their salaries to them. Now, during the pendency of the writ petitions, one of the private respondent here has filed a complaint before the Logoyucta. Similar content, and Logoyucta directed for registration of FIR. A FIR was registered, and the case, the criminal trial proceeded. Now this method along with the writ petition were taken together earlier. And my lord, the writ petitions were heard earlier. It was kept parted, and view of the roster changes, method came before my lord.
Writ petition is parted before some other way.
Yes, my lord, court number 3. And it is coming up on
That will have a bearing in this.
direct bearing, similar allegation.
You are
If
there.
I
in that
only
writ
pray
petition.
for-
I'm there in
only
the
pray
writ petition as well as in this.
So if it
criminal
has a
petition.
bearing, then you withdraw it. Wait for the outcome of that one.
If they want for
I-
adjournment,
I-
your lordship,
I
let
only
it simply
pray-
adjourn.
I only pray for my lord 2 weeks. We are bracing for disposal of the
This
disposal of the
criminal petition is for, you see, quashing, isn't it?
quashing. Is a
So
quashing
which way
method.
the writ petition will have a bearing here.
In fact, your lordship, what happened?
Similar allegations.
No, it's all right.
Similar allegations. Since therefore, my lord,
So
that
then these matters are basically infructuous.
no, not
In fact,
judgment.
your lordship, such
When the case is
cases have
pending,
already been shut
they
sheeted,
file.
and I believe the trial also is
Trial is
going on.
continuing. Trial is going on.
Going
That is
on.
true. That is undisputed fact.
Then what is the purpose of keeping it pending? Then let us see it. Let us take up the matter. We'll just see. If you see that it has direct bearing with the writ petition, then we will not pass any order. We'll just see.
Well, we come up tomorrow then. Lordship. I'm ready, my lord. If lordship think that it is not required to await the outcome of the
No, that we'll just find out. We'll just see what kind of
have that.
order has been passed and which is under challenge.
Then after a week, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I have difficulty, your lordship.
the next week, my lord.
After a week, then.
It's a problem, Mr. Sangresho. This court will remain worthless, you see. There will be nothing remain for the court.
Tomorrow I have
I understand, but
all those tomorrow, no? Cases will come.
Okay, just 8, 9, 10. On the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list after a week.
Oh, after a week.
after a week.
Go to next.
Lordship, yes.
Good.
Apply, your lordship. 8, 9, 10.
8.
11 is also gone. Yes. All right.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, your lordship.
Wait, just after this matter will come up. We'll see what is in there. I don't know.
Lordship,
Wait, you can
actually,
sit-
the
sit
conducting counsel is unavailable today, your lordship.
You are there.
Senior
You are
need.
there. Anyway, just sit. We'll just sit. Call the matter.
Item number 1.
Yes. None for the petitioner. What is that?
This is with regard to appointment of Cobra.
Can we proceed on merit in absence of petitioner?
Can assist, Your Lordship.
No, but then what the law says? Can a court proceed? in absence of petitioner to hear the matter on merits. There is a law in this. Can it be? Can it? The petitioner is not there. The court proceeds to hear the matter on merit and decides it. Is it permissible in law? You know the subject matter of the case.
Your Lordship.
You can place the version of the other side also. This is a problem, you see. Who is appearing for the petitioner?
Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr. K. Paul.
Hmm, 2017 matter, maybe there. Last occasion somebody appeared. What shall we do? We cannot proceed to hear on merit. The last occasion they have appeared. We cannot dismiss it for default also. None appears for the petitioner. Mr. P. Nangri, Learned Counsel is present on behalf of
Number 7.
yes, fine, sir. 106. We'll list this matter after 3 weeks. That will be all right. Any interim order here?
No, Your Lordship.
3 weeks all right, or you want early?
Your Lordship.
You want before that? 3 weeks or before that? You want 2 weeks?
As Your Lordship pleases, I'm ready anytime, Your Lordship.
Make it 2 weeks. Make it 2 weeks.
4.
Also, Your Lordship, this matter, Mr. K. Paul is there.
Again, the same thing.
This is with regard to Pata, Your Lordship.
Let us see how many things are here. No, this is Mr. TTD English case. Land acquisition.
No, Lordship.
Why?
This is item number 4.
Yes. Yes.
Number 4, Your Lordship.
Yes. You're ready for number 4.
Lordship, I'm praying for some time in this matter.
Just say so and so appears for the petitioner. Just name their name also. Record the name also. So appears for the respondent. And the request made by mentioned by the petitioner, and list is made after 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
Yes. Now we will have the whole day.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for
Make it
some
clear.
time, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Senior counsel is unavailable, Your Lordship.
Mr. TTD Yengdo
Yes, Your Lordship.
is not here.
No, Your Lordship.
That is that land acquisition matter.
Yes,
Any question? Yes, Your Lordship.
But it was hard actually
Yes, Your Lordship.
at some length.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then any other matter after this? When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, on the request made on behalf of Mr. TTD Engel, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. We'll list this matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Any question, Your Lordship.
Item number 12.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My senior, Mr. Philemon Humphrey,